Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make veggie dip. Crafting a delicious veggie dip begins with a creamy foundation. You can choose between a cup of rich sour cream or a healthier option like 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Next, incorporate 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh herbs, such as dill or chives, for a vibrant taste. Don't forget a teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, plus a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to elevate all the flavors. Now, let's explore some exciting flavor variations to customize your dip. For a classic ranch-style dip, mix in 1 teaspoon of dried dill, 1/2 teaspoon of dried chives, and 1/2 teaspoon of onion flakes. If you prefer a bit of heat, add a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper or a dash of your favorite hot sauce. You could also blend in a 1/4 cup of roasted red peppers for a smoky, sweet profile. Preparing your veggie dip is incredibly straightforward. First, gather all your selected ingredients and place them into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Using a whisk, thoroughly combine everything until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. Next, taste your dip and adjust the seasonings, perhaps adding an extra pinch of salt or a dash of black pepper. Finally, chill the dip for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. To serve your delightful homemade veggie dip, arrange it alongside a vibrant assortment of fresh vegetables like carrot sticks, cucumber slices, and bell pepper strips. For additional dipping options, consider offering crispy crackers, warm pita bread, or crunchy pretzels. A final touch of fresh, chopped parsley or chives as a garnish will make it visually appealing. Store any leftover dip in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.